Halupki. Stuffed cabbage. A main dish from Slovakia. Serve 6. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Prepare the cabbage, puncture the core with a knife, and boil about 45 minutes. If using 2 heads, boil separately. After cooling, prepare the leaves, pull them off the head in as large of pieces as you can. Step 2. You will probably have to get thin slices off the spines and thicker veins. Remember the smell of the meat. Sprinkle on a little salt and pepper, and knead the mixture by hand. Smell again. Keep adding salt and pepper until it just barely masks the smell of the meat. Cook the rice until all the water is absorbed. Set aside. Step 4. Mix the eggs into the meat mixture. Smell the mixture, remember the smell. Sprinkle in a little garlic powder and paprika, knead well. Keep mixing in small amounts of garlic powder and paprika until you can detect a garlic smell. Put a small amount of oil in the bottom of the from the sauerkraut, the rice, roll a small handful of the meat mixture into a firm cup of the tomato sauce. Wrap with a cabbage leaf. Mix thoroughly. Tuck the edges into the roll. Line the bottom of the pot with a halupki. Step 6. Cover with a little bit of the sauerkraut, using the bad and small cabbage and a layer for the layering. Top with the crushed tomatoes, remaining sauerkraut, and the very top is cabbage leaves. Add enough water to totally cover. Step 7. Stick a wooden spoon down to the bottom, carefully, along the side of the pot, to break any air bubbles between the layers. Do not puncture any of the halupki, and add more water, if necessary. Repeat this several times, because air between the layers will make a terrific mess when the pot begins to boil. Simmer for at least 4 hours, then keep warm until served. Many people prepare the halupki the night before. Simmer 2 hours, turn off the heat overnight. Country reports, do not refrigerate. Countries, just leave the pot on the stove.